Today in the Daily Dose, a bad day for rock and roll at the Altamont Music Festival. After the 3-day music festival at Woodstock, Rolling Stones lead singer Mick Jagger began obsessing about a similar music event in San Francisco, including a film documentary of the event soon nicknamed Woodstock West.
We are doing a free concert in San Francisco on December 6th.
Knowing the city lacked the infrastructure for such a mass invasion of stoned-out concert-goers, San Francisco officials quickly shut down the notion, forcing the Stones to sign a financially bad deal to host the event at Sears Point Raceway in Sonoma. Pulling out of the deal just 2 days before the previously announced event, roadies moved the stage and sound system 80 miles southeast to Altamont Speedway near Livermore, California. Due to Jagger's long-standing dislike of police, at the behest of the Grateful Dead, the Stones hired the Hells Angels motorcycle gang for concert ground security, paying them $500 in beer to cover the event. When the concert kicked off on December 6, 1969, to an overcapacity crowd of more than 300,000 people, the Angels turned violent almost the moment they arrived, beating back concertgoers with sawed-off pool cues, metal pipes, and motorcycle chains. To make matters worse, a batch of bad acid had circulated widely throughout the concert grounds, increasing conflicts between stoners and the openly violent Hells Angels. The concert included sets by Santana, Jefferson Airplane, the Flying Burrito Brothers, Crosby, Stills, Nash & Young, the Grateful Dead, and the Rolling Stones. Although the Dead backed out after the Angels' unmitigated violence became amplified under the worsening effects of alcohol and drugs. Even the lead singer of Jefferson Airplane, Marty Balin, was knocked unconscious when he tried to stop fights from breaking out between the Angels and concertgoers pressing in on the stage.
Hey man, I'd like to mention that the Hells Angels just smashed Marty Balin in the face and knocked him out for a bit. I'd like to thank you for that.
Having already been involved in a fight with the Angels, when the Stones took the stage after dark, teenager Meredith Hunter tried to scale a speaker cabinet for a better view of the band's rendition of Under My Thumb. When he was quickly knocked off the cabinet by Hells Angels, Hunter drew a gun and threatened his aggressors, prompting Angel Alan Passero to draw a knife and stab the teen no less than 4 times. Hunter died at the scene, and while Passero was put on trial for first-degree murder, after footage surfaced of Hunter drawing his gun, Passero was acquitted on grounds of self-defense. And there you have it. A bad day for rock and roll at the Altamont Music Festival. Today in the Daily Dose.
Loose change for getting down. It's Friday.